Alright guys, I'm going to test this new to us. Salted egg yolk chips. Oh, looks good, huh? Lava egg yolk some more, no? From Thailand. So I just opened up already. Smells okay, but not as strong as those back home. Okay, so you look inside, quite a lot, huh? And this is for 45 baht, which is about $2, 180. Let's check this out. A little on the salty side, a bit spicy. Salted egg yolk taste, not strong. Not strong. You gotta imagine, really got the taste. But crispiness is all there. At least there are no hard parts. Pretty decent for 45 baht. I got this from Big C supermarket. Yeah, so apparently it's halal also. Okay, halal. Okay, so when you're in Thailand, Big C, look out for this salted egg yolk. 45 baht. Go check it out, guys.